welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a bathing suit haul. I'm super bummed out. My vacation was canceled and I cannot wear these bathing suits where I want to be wearing them, but it's okay. We're gonna show off the cute bathing suits. I love bathing suits. Like, I love bringing a bunch of outfits because I like to look cute on vacation. I'm very bougie. So if you guys are interested in this affordable bathing suit haul, just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So this bathing suit, I got it off Amazon, and I got it because it's super cute, super comfy. I don't always want to have that sexy vibe, you know. Sometimes you do activities and you don't want the bathing suit to be like super exposed. I matched it up with this kimono. I just feel like the blue with the flowers brings out the yellow a lot. And yeah, this is me just showing you guys. I don't know what to do with my hands. This bathing suit is super cute. It's an all white one piece with a large opening in the back. It goes down all the way to the buttock area. I paired it up with this scarf. I would rather wear it with like a curly wavy hair, you know, when you have that messy hair. And what I love about the scarf is that you can also wear it as a skirt, which I'm gonna demonstrate here for you guys. You just put it on, and this is also a look, especially when you need to walk around in places where you can't, when you have to be fully clothed. And this one I absolutely love. This is one of my sexy bikinis. It doesn't have much like boob support. These are one of the bathing suits where you like jump up in the water and your boobs will accidentally slip, but it's super cute for beach look. This one here is a one piece, very sexy one piece. It comes down very low, as you can see in the front, like the, you know, V-line. Shows like a little bit of side boob, and it also is a thong in the back. So baby, when you turn around, it's a view. This one here, I actually didn't get it from Amazon, but everything else is from Amazon. This one is from Target. Super cute. Turned out that this one was actually one of my favorites. This is also a very comfortable bikini. It has support, and I also love like these fringes on the side, on the top of the bathing suit. I absolutely love it. Oh God, I cannot model for crap. I need to take some lessons. Hit me up, y'all. And this is my final look. This is a cheeky bikini, which ties up right up here, as I'm going to show you guys. So it gives you the best support possible on your boobs, and it gives me the little bit of cleavage that I do have. And I paired it up with this mesh skirt, and that is it, you guys. This is my final look. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.